Hey guys, this is Melissa, and today I'm coming to you to give you a video on Poshmark. I want to show you guys or tell you guys how to make money on Poshmark. I'm gonna give you a couple of tips to get you started. So to start this video off, I want to tell you guys that it's a sponsored video. This is a sponsored video by Poshmark. And if you want to check out my closet at Cinnamon2930, you can do that. Also, download the Poshmark app. Just get a quick start on your closet and let's get into the video. Okay, so tip number one, you need inventory. So you need that clothing item that you just don't want, and where you're gonna find it? In your closet. That's the easiest way to start on Poshmark. Find something in your closet that you just haven't been wearing. It's been sitting in there for years. It's too small, too big. You just don't like it. You don't like the color. Put it to the side. Okay. Also the shoes. Find some shoes that you can't fit, that you don't like. Who knows what you don't like about it, but just put that to the side. Any shirts, dresses, whatever you see in your closet that you just do not want anymore and you want to make a couple of bucks, put it to the side, because that's going to bring us to our next tip. Number two, listing your items. So you want to list everything that you don't want. Whatever that pile you put to the side, we're going to list it. Okay, so then we come to tip number three. Make sure your pictures are nice. Pictures sell the item. Okay, so you want to make sure you have nice lighting. So you either get a lighting kit like I have here. That's why everything's bright. Or you get the natural lighting outside. That's the best way for me to do my work. Excuse me. You can also use other things, but those two things are what you want to do to make your pictures pop, to get the buyer's attention to want to buy. Next thing is tip number four, and that is your description. Okay, guys, this is so vital. Make sure your description describes that item to the T, because you don't need no one saying, oh, this wasn't here, this wasn't there. So make sure you put the color, the size, any flaws, okay? If it's a tight, loose fit, sometimes they want to know that. Sometimes they want to know fabric. Put it, just put it to keep it. Measurements are good to do, especially on jeans. People will always ask measurements on jeans. So put the measurements, that's very important. Okay, so now we're going to tip number four. Okay, so you want to get that item seen, right? People will already see it when you list it, yes, but you want to keep on having people look at it, several people. So you're going to share. So you share your items to, you want to ENL, which is edit next list. You want to direct share to your followers. And that will bring me to number five. Make sure you have followers. Followers are so important. Well, I feel they're so important because then it gets them, you share to them and they will share to their followers. You also want to share their items as well. That kind of helps them want to share your stuff back. And then the last thing, I'm going to give you a bonus tip, is fast shipping. Once that buyer buys your item, you want to ship as fast as possible, as you possibly can. I believe Poshmark gives you 3 to 7 days. You can check that out on the app. And you want to send it off as soon as you get time. Within 3 days is what I do, because I want my stuff to get to them. And then you'll get that, hopefully you'll get 5 stars once the buyer gets it, and your money will be released. So guys, that's my tips for today. Make sure you download the app again and make that money on Poshmark. It is so easy, so simple. The app is so simple to navigate. I will show you that probably in the next video on how to navigate easily through Poshmark and get that item seen and listed and sold. So I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace.